Medicine has come a long way. We can now treat diseases that were once deadly. Gene therapy is one of the most exciting new advancements. It has the potential to cure diseases that we once thought were incurable. Gene therapy is revolutionizing how we think about healthcare. It could change the lives of millions of people around the world. This is a new era of medicine, and the future looks bright. Gene therapy is like fixing a software problem in your body. Our bodies are made up of cells, and each cell contains genes. Genes are like instructions that tell our bodies how to grow and function. Sometimes genes have errors or mutations. These errors can lead to diseases. Gene therapy aims to fix these errors, like a software update for your genes. By correcting these errors, gene therapy holds the potential to cure diseases at their root cause. It's a powerful approach with incredible potential. Gene therapy works by introducing a healthy copy of a gene into a patient's cells. Think of it like replacing a broken part in a machine. The healthy gene can then take over and produce the missing or faulty protein. The process involves delivering the healthy gene into the cells using a carrier called a vector. Vectors are often modified viruses that are very good at entering cells. Once inside the cell, the healthy gene integrates into the patient's DNA, providing the correct instructions for the cell to function properly. Gene therapy can address a wide range of diseases caused by faulty genes. These include genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and hemophilia. In cystic fibrosis, for example, a single faulty gene causes the body to produce thick, sticky mucus that damages the lungs and digestive system. Gene therapy aims to deliver a healthy copy of this gene to the lungs, improving breathing and reducing other symptoms. By targeting the underlying genetic cause, gene therapy offers hope for patients who previously had limited treatment options. Section 5. Vectors delivering the cure. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of vectors and their pivotal role in the field of gene therapy. Vectors play a crucial role in gene therapy. They are the unsung heroes, the vehicles that make the delivery of healthy genes possible. Without vectors, the entire process of gene therapy would be impossible. They act as delivery vehicles, carrying the healthy gene into the patient's cells. Imagine them as tiny microscopic couriers, ensuring that the therapeutic genes reach their intended destination within the body. Viruses are often used as vectors because they are naturally good at entering cells. Over millions of years, viruses have evolved to become highly efficient at infiltrating cells, making them ideal candidates for gene delivery. Scientists modify these viruses to remove any harmful parts, ensuring they are safe for use in humans. This process involves intricate genetic engineering to strip the virus of its pathogenic elements while retaining its ability to deliver genes. The viruses are then engineered to carry the healthy gene and deliver it to the target cells. This engineered virus, now a vector, is like a customized delivery truck, loaded with the therapeutic gene and ready to transport it to the precise location where it's needed. Different types of viruses are used as vectors, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. For instance, some vectors can carry larger genes, while others are better at targeting specific types of cells. Selecting the right vector is crucial for the success of gene therapy. This decision is based on a variety of factors, including the type of disease being treated, the characteristics of the target cells, and the specific requirements of the therapeutic gene. The choice of vector can significantly impact the efficiency and safety of the gene therapy, making it a critical step in the development process. Section 6. Gene therapy success stories. Gene therapy, a groundbreaking field in medical science, has been making waves with its potential to treat and even cure genetic disorders that were once considered untreatable. Gene therapy has already shown remarkable success in treating certain diseases. By introducing, removing, or altering genetic material within a patient's cells, scientists are able to target the root cause of these conditions, offering a more precise and effective treatment option. One inspiring example is the treatment of spinal muscular atrophy, or SMA, a genetic disorder that causes muscle weakness and progressive paralysis. SMA is a devastating condition that affects the motor neurons in the spinal cord, leading to severe physical disabilities and in many cases a significantly shortened lifespan. In a clinical trial, infants with SMA who received gene therapy showed significant improvement in motor function and survival rates. This therapy works by delivering a healthy copy of the SMN1 gene, which is defective in SMA patients, directly into the motor neurons. The results have been nothing short of miraculous. Some children, who were once unable to sit up on their own, were able to crawl and even walk after receiving the treatment. These milestones, which many parents take for granted, are monumental achievements for families affected by SMA. The joy and relief experienced by these families are immeasurable. These success stories highlight the transformative potential of gene therapy and provide hope for patients and families battling genetic diseases. The advancements in gene therapy not only offer a new lease on life for those affected by SMA, but also pave the way for future treatments of other genetic disorders. As research continues, the possibilities for gene therapy are expanding, bringing us closer to a future where genetic diseases can be effectively managed or even eradicated. The journey of gene therapy is just beginning, and its success stories are a testament to the incredible progress that has been made in the field of medical science. Section 7. Challenges and concerns. While gene therapy holds immense promise, there are still challenges and concerns that need to be addressed. This revolutionary field has the potential to cure genetic disorders and transform medicine, but it is not without its hurdles. One of the main challenges is the high cost of treatment. Gene therapy is often prohibitively expensive, making it difficult for many patients to afford. The financial burden can be overwhelming, especially for those without adequate insurance coverage. Developing and manufacturing gene therapies is complex and expensive, making them inaccessible to many patients. The process involves cutting-edge technology and highly specialized equipment, which drives up costs. Additionally, the research and development phase requires significant investment, further contributing to the high price tag. Another concern is the potential for unintended side effects. While the goal is to correct genetic defects, the insertion of a new gene into the body's DNA can have unpredictable consequences. Scientists must carefully monitor for any adverse reactions, as there is a risk of triggering an immune response or causing other unforeseen problems. Inserting a new gene into the body's DNA can have unpredictable consequences, and there is a risk of triggering an immune response or causing other unforeseen problems. The body's immune system may recognize the new gene as a foreign invader and mount an attack, leading to complications. Furthermore, the long-term effects of gene therapy are still not fully understood, necessitating ongoing research and vigilance. Ethical considerations also come into play, particularly regarding the potential for using gene therapy for non-medical enhancements, such as enhancing physical abilities or intelligence. The prospect of designer babies raises significant moral and ethical questions. Society must grapple with the implications of such advancements and establish guidelines to ensure that gene therapy is used responsibly and ethically. Public opinion is also a crucial factor. As gene therapy continues to evolve, it is essential to engage with communities and stakeholders to address their concerns and build trust. Transparent communication and education about the benefits and risks of gene therapy can help foster a more informed and supportive public. Collaboration among scientists, policymakers, and ethicists on a global scale is vital to navigate these challenges. By working together, we can develop solutions that maximize the benefits of gene therapy while minimizing its risks. The future of gene therapy holds great promise, but it requires careful consideration and responsible stewardship to ensure it is accessible, safe, and ethically sound. Section 8. The promise of CRISPR. CRISPR is a revolutionary gene editing tool that has the potential to further enhance gene therapy. It acts like molecular scissors, allowing scientists to precisely cut and edit DNA sequences. CRISPR offers greater precision and efficiency compared to traditional gene therapy techniques. It allows for the correction of genetic defects directly within the patient's cells, potentially eliminating the need for viral vectors. The development of CRISPR has opened up new possibilities for gene therapy, making it a rapidly evolving field with immense potential. Section 9. The future of medicine is here. Gene therapy is rapidly advancing and the future of medicine is being rewritten. Ongoing research and clinical trials are exploring new applications for gene therapy in treating a wider range of diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and HIV. Personalized medicine is another exciting avenue of exploration. With advancements in genetic testing, treatments can be tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup, maximizing effectiveness and minimizing side effects. Gene therapy has the potential to revolutionize healthcare as we know it, offering hope for cures and treatments that were once unimaginable. Section 10. Join the gene therapy conversation. Gene therapy is a rapidly evolving field with the power to transform medicine. By understanding the basics of gene therapy, its potential benefits, and the challenges that lie ahead, we can engage in informed discussions about its implications for our health and society as a whole. Stay informed, ask questions, and be part of the conversation as we navigate this exciting frontier in medicine. The future of healthcare depends on it.